How to log in to TSB Bank credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to TSB Bank credit card account online. In order to do so, you will need to use the mobile banking application or visit the official website of TSB. If you would like to visit the official website of TSB, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. And once on the browser, in the search bar, type in tsb.co.uk. Once you have entered this URL, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of TSB. Once you reach this website, you will need to click on this accept all cookies from this pop-up in order to proceed further. Once doing that, in the space at the top right, you'll be able to locate login/register button. Simply click on it. And now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to see the login interface on your screen. Here now, you will need to use your user ID in this field in order to log in to your account. Enter your user ID. Once after entering the user ID, if you want your user ID to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this checkbox right here. It also says that if you are using a public or shared computer, do not check this box. Now once after entering the user ID, click on this continue button right here. In case if you don't remember your user ID, you will also get the option to recover it. For that, you will need to click on this recover user ID link at the left side. And by doing so, you'll be able to retrieve your user ID. Once after recovering your user ID, enter the correct user ID in this field and then click on this continue button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password and then proceed further. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgotten your password link at the bottom and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve or reset your password. And after that, you will need to enter your newly updated password in the given field and then click on the continue button, which will be available at the right side of the interface. After that, you will be able to log in to your TSB Bank credit card account online. Once you are logged into your account, you can now navigate to your credit card account to view the statements, make the payments, and manage your card. Also, if you haven't registered for online banking or TSB credit card account, you will need to set up your account first in order to proceed further. If that's the case, then you will need to click on this register online link right here and then fill in the details. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your TSB Bank credit card account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.